Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode 447, Technical Analysis for Crypto. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome, and if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us once the stream is done, join us on the Discord, links in the description. I hope YouTube is notifying you guys that I'm live. Hopefully. If not, I just went on Twitter and Discord. Thank you all for being here and joining me tonight. I need to grab my trusty notepad and a pen, or pencil at least. There's something to write with. To attend to all the requests that will come through and rain and pour down upon us. Anyways, yeah. Let's keep the stream rolling, right? We are here, man. Some people watching, thank y'all for being here. And being awesome. Apostolic, let's go, bro. Thanks. Nat J, hey, how am I? I'm good. How are you doing? Thank you for being here. Also, if you want to be able to, like I said, if you want to with the latest crypto items, make sure you hit that like that bell and that sub, and join us on Discord, links in the description. Also join us on Twitter, links in the description, you can find it there. Let's transition over here to market cap and figure out what's going on. NetJ says it's bored AF. Wow. I hope you are not bored. Thank you for joining us, Nat. Absolute Mind made 13% of Ethereum up just a bit ago. That's pretty good, man. And Soka saying, what up? What up, Soka? How's it going, man? How's it going, bro? Let's go check it out, man. What's going on here, right? Market cap. We're still pumping, man. Can you believe that insanity? We're still going high. I'm really have to zoom in here because, you know, we did pull back down yesterday quite a bit. 680 billion. At least the low was 678 billion. We still managed to close positive 5.99 billion, and today still going up $9.70 billion on market cap. So again, Bitcoin still going here, right? So 8.93, 7.52. This is 74.56, and this is 73. So we still have strong bearish divergence. Again, market conditions are bullish AF, so we can still go up. You want to look at link up? Sure, man. We'll do link up. Right on. So overbought at 73.84. Probably coming down from there, right? Bitcoin dominance, where's it at? 70.62%. It gained dominance yesterday, 0.41%. Today gaining 0.64. Again, I want to see Bitcoin lose dominance. It's usually good for the cryptosphere. We'll see how things keep going for Bitcoin again. Sitting at 70.61% of market cap. Bitcoin futures at 28,330, man. Again, we still have not moved down to close that gap. Lowest we got was 26,000. We have a huge gap to close if we decide to move down and close it. But again, still pumping today. Look at that price action. Beautiful, man. Well, what is happening with Bitcoin at 27,940? What are we wick? 28,000 once. What do we had? Bearish divergence. Did we move down? Yes, check mark, right? And then we just held support at 26,406, which we drew yesterday. And we said, look, this could be an area of potential support. And we did held support there. I'll show that in a second. Now, what's going on here? We're still pumping higher, right? We still have this bearish divergence. Unfortunately enough, it's still there, right? So you got to keep on watching out for this. So, 435, 382, right? And this is 78, 81, and this is already 80. So we don't have it against the RSI. Just against the MACD, right? So we lost the bearish divergence against the RSI. We still have it against the MACD. That's beautiful stuff happening, like I said. Now, there's really nothing else happening here on the daily. We're still upsloping. We're going to get exhausted of this, and we got to get pullback, right? We're already pulled back slightly in our day. We got a day of, like, rest. We got to take a day to breathe, right? Sorry, guys. One quick second. Damn it, it went away. I felt like I wanted to sneeze, but it's no longer there, man. If you like what we do, hit that like that button, that's up. Thank you for joining me on Discord, Twitter, Periscope, DLive, and YouTube. Awesome. Let's go to 4 hours, man. Oh, look at this. The flag. Where did it break? The upside. We talked about the mighty flag yesterday, right? We said, look, we're making a flag. And a flag we did. Falling wedge, right? We said potentially break it to the upside. We're bringing it to the upside. What are we doing? We made negative momentum, right? We said we're going to make negative momentum. We're already making negative momentum here. And look, we're still going slightly higher. And this is good. We can still pump a little bit more. I'm not sure how strong this is going to be. Oh, snap. I sent that to the 1 hour. I just wanted it here on the 4. I did the wrong time scale. There we go, the 4 hour chart. Positive to negative. And high to low, right? So there's that bearish divergence. Just bought at 67.52 on the RSI. So there's a chance for movement down. Again, beautifully held support here at 26,406. We drew this yesterday, if y'all remember, and then, you know, hit resistance here at the 20 a couple times, and then we just really broke out to the upside, which is very, very nice. Above the 20 still. And like I said, bought at 67.45. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. And like I told you guys, right, I'm not worried about Bitcoin unless we broke like the 24,900 area, maybe even the 24,000 area. So what's happening here, man? Wow, we are definitely going higher, man. Let's see, high to low, low to high, right on. So let's start drawing first things first, right? From here to here. And the 1 hour chart, there we go. Some hidden bearish, right? So that kind of moved us down slightly. We had the strong bullish, right? Rally to the upside again at the support that we called, right? We had support here, resistance here. Again, support, then resistance. Then it became beautiful support here, right? Right on the dot, and then we just moved up. So great stuff, right? High to low. So we don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD, right? There's that bearish divergence for action to the upside. For action to the downside, we did move down, found that support, and then we pumped. So low, high, negative, less negative, low. And there's such a hard point. There's really nothing bullish there. Just the fact that we found support, and, you know, Bitcoin still had this bullish divergence, strong bullish divergence to come into play. So the hidden bearish wasn't really strong enough. It just moved us down slightly, which was what we were expecting or what we were targeting. And we were calling this, probably by the time we were still, no, we just called this one. So we were here when we were live. We were starting to like get this small pump, right? And great stuff happening for Bitcoin, right? And we still pulled up slightly. So we no longer had it, right? Look at this, man. We kind of lost it. We probably kept it in the half hour. But look, we got a lot of pullback here, right? So we're going from low to high. Negative less negative low on there, so to our point, right? Maybe lower on the other side still. Let's see. 41, 30 something. 39, yeah. Right on. I can live with this, right? We kind of lost it against the MACD. We lost a strong bullish against the MACD, but we managed to preserve the hidden bullish against the RSI, right? So this will just go bye-bye. There we go. Fixed. It's still there. It's still bullish. It's just a different kind of bullish divergence. And again, it was playing out here, and we got the pullback. Like I said, probably in the half hour we got something there. Right, we had the bullish divergence here as well, right? To that nice climb to the upside, right? Are we doing something bearish? Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Low, high, low, high, low, high. Yeah, nothing bearish, dude. Right now, it's still golden. It can still go up slightly higher. There's no problem with that. I'm seeing something only against the RSI. That's coming from up here to down here. So we're definitely going slightly higher on this pump than we previously were at. And then we're coming lower, right? So high to low on the RSI. So we're creating some strong bearish divergence while being overbought. It could be a driver for action to the downside. Likely target would be the 20. The 20 sitting at 26,904. We can try to take a bounce there. We might move down slightly and then take another pop, you know. Or just keep on building this. Like I said, right, Bitcoin's still performing extremely well. I'm not worried about Bitcoin. We're consolidating sideways. That's what we called for, and that's what we're still doing, right? So on that note, that's it for Bitcoin. Let's go check out Ethereum. What is up with Ethereum, dude? Let's go on the daily first. Right, so we're sitting right at 733, right? We have the target resistance at 733.82. We're sitting at 733.81. For some reason, this one's not moving here. It's not moving on any chart, actually. It's just very, very slight. And there we go. It just moved slightly higher. But we're struggling in that area, right? Again, we still have the bearish divergence. Against the RSI, we don't have it against MACD. And, you know, facing resistance where we were supposed to find it, right? If we manage to move above, we're looking for a test of 764.78, which would be a good target, and then 813. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. Alright, so high to low, positive, high to low, right? Nothing there. We had the bearish divergence, moved us down, found support at 705. We broke briefly below it, right? When we were live, we were looking at this, and then we still managed to pump back up. Look where to, resistance at 733, right? Resistance, resistance, resistance. And then finally, it looks like we want to get above, but right now we're still slightly below. 42 cents below, to be exact. On that note, we're sitting bought at 62.64 on their side. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. We didn't have anything bearish. We had the bullish, hidden bullish. We still made it to midnight with it, or 10 p.m. or whatever. And then we started to move up, right? Resistance, then became support. Then we move up, support. Again, a lot of resistance here, some resistance here, and then move up. And right now, what we're using is this as support. So we're trying to use 733.82 as support, and it looks like we want to move up. Right now, still slightly below that area at 733.69. Ethereum trying to decide where it wants to go. Let's see if we have something. Low, high, positive, more positive. Low on the other side to a hard point. Yep. Nothing there. Even here, high, low, high on the other side, lower point. Nothing there. Neutral at 55.91. Boomer, what's up, dude? Thanks for being here. What's up, fams? Shakalaka 122. Am I expecting Bitcoin to fall a lot on the 1 month chart? Good question. We haven't looked at the 1 month chart. Let me finish. I think we just finished Ethereum. Let me finish Ethereum and I'll go back and check that out. High low, right? Nothing bearish here. So that's it, dude. We're still running on the hidden bullish. And again, if Bitcoin allows it, this could still go on higher. Right, Bitcoin monthly chart. Which one's the cleanest one? I think this might be the cleanest one for a monthly look. Month. It doesn't have a lot of data back here. This one does. High, higher, positive, more positive. Yeah, there's some bearish divergence against the. Sorry if the monthly looks super dirty, but you know, I rarely go onto the monthly chart. But just to reply or basically give some answer. We have some strong bearish against the RSI, but we're still bullish AF. Look at this month, man. Look at December, 41%. Look at November, 42%. Right? It's still crazy. Look here, 28% on October. Right? So we're still bullish AF. Right? Like I said, maybe a $30,000 Bitcoin by New Year's. I'm not sure yet, 100% on that, but I'll be looking for that move. Right? I'll be happy. I'll take that action. And then maybe we test 30,000, then we slightly drop, right? 30K is going to become the new 20K or whatever was this new time high. But like I said, right, if we extrapolate and see how we moved here on daily, if I need to zoom out a lot, so when I go on the daily, you'll be able to see it. Right, look at the previous run, right? So from here, 2, 3, right? We're looking at this and saying, look, it's 1, 2, and then 3, right? So if this is the move that we're going after, percentage-wise, and we believe we might move on that same percentage-wise, we're targeting the 50 plus K, right? So that will be part of the target. Chuck, like, do you think SEC shit will spill over to Bitcoin? I'm not sure, bro. Look, they're going after XRP, or mainly Ripple, because the only project of the major cryptos that actually has a company behind it, right? So they can go after someone. Who are they going to go after? Bitcoin. Plus, the SEC already established that Bitcoin and Ethereum are not securities. So they cannot go after them because they already declared they're not securities. And if they go after them, who's going to defend? Who are they going to sue? Who are they going to fight? Right? So the only thing they can do is declare it, but there will be no one to like fight against it. So I don't think they're going to go after them. I think they're just going after Ripple because being the third largest project out there, or fourth, whatever they're ranking at right now, probably a lot less since they dropped, but being that they're one of the largest projects that actually has a company behind it and a head and everything, they could probably do something with that, right? I mean, I'm sure that on Ethereum they can probably try to go after Vitalik, but you know, it's not really a company with like a CEO and someone that has been extremely public on interviews, going on CNN, doing like, you know, forums or economic forums to try to push, you know, the adoption of crypto. So I think they're going after them just because of that, mainly. But anyways, ignore everything else that I have on this chart. Again, this chart I rarely use for this. Let's go to XRP, right? That's what we're going to look at. XRP at 20 cents. Someone came in here the other day, told me XRP was not going to go to 20 cents ever again. Guess where we're at, man? Remember that bullish divergence that we have? Still not good enough to save us. 28, 29, slightly higher still. Ooh, guess what? Even from here, we have strong bullish divergence. But it's really not going to make a lot of difference, man. Chakalaka saying they'll go after U.S. registered exchanges. Maybe. Boomer saying that's right because there's someone to after money to get. Yeah. Look, I don't think they're gonna go after exchanges, dude. Particularly not ones that are looking to do IPOs. They want to regulate exchanges. They want to get the money, right? They want to get the information. If they go after exchanges and they shut them down, they're gonna start losing a lot of revenue that comes from crypto. Believe it or not, imagine all the taxes that are going to be paid this year, next year, for crypto traded this year, right? You get capital gain taxes already on it. So do you want to shoot yourself in the foot and, like, you know, stop revenue from coming in? I think if they go after exchanges, they're going to get a lot of people going after them, particularly the IRS and a lot of other people, right? So this year, I don't think they're going to mess with it. Kraken was granted bank status or something, so you feel safe. Yeah, I mean, time to pay your dues, Ripple, yeah. Well, you tax it, right? That's how you get a bigger piece of the pie. You going after exchanges and shutting them down doesn't get you anywhere, and you lose all the pie, right? That's why they legalized marijuana, because they figured out they were not going to be able to fight it. They were not going to be able to get against it. People are still smoking it, regardless of how many efforts they were putting. A lot of people were dying on the war on drugs, and guess what? It's the same shit that happened with Prohibition, right? They were fighting alcohol, Al Capone, you know, all that stuff with the gangsters back in Chicago and everywhere. During the whole Prohibition era, people making moonshine. You know, they realize it's much more profitable to tax it than to fight it, right? So that's what they're going to do with crypto, right? They're not going to put a war on crypto. They're just going to show an anti-crypto stance just so they can tax it more. But they're going to end up alienating a lot of companies and a lot of people. And that's not what happened during the internet boom. During the internet boom, California showed a lot of backbone and a lot of support pro-internet and pro-internet companies. And that's why the U.S. was leader in a lot of the internet companies that are out there, right? Now, if they start fighting crypto and send it away, other parts of the world are going to become economic powers due to their crypto status. And the U.S. is going to lose that economic power. So it's going to be, you know, very, very weird. So I feel Ripple made a lot of money from people buying XRP. It's weird they have half of XRPs locked up. Yeah, well, I mean, they put it in escrow. That way they cannot dump it in the market or make bad calls or bad decisions, right? That they try to, like, at least have some sort of control. Lock and key, where they are responsible for that. But at least they do try to sell as little as they can lately, and putting on the escrow does limit how much they have access to. So it gets a little bit, like, it's not a guy with a nuclear button that says, drop everything on the market and let's kill the project, right? Anyways. Chuckalug saying that's very true. Yeah, I'm not sure which part we were talking about when you said that's very true, but thank you for being here, Chuckalug. If you want to join us on YouTube, you can also find me at the State of Crypto, and you can sub there, and I'll be really, really grateful, because I need the subs. I need them subs, bro. Boomer, fighting weed until they could figure out how to profit from it. Yeah, I know, and guess what they did? They probably gave all the permits first to their buddies, and they said, look, man, I'm going to set you up with farms. I'm going to set you up with farm space. You got to pay me. But, you'll get a permit, you'll be first in line, and then we'll start getting all these other companies involved, right? So, there, Dot killed it today, and I think he still has more. We'll check out Dot, dude. We'll put him in the queue. Regulation states will deal a blow to trading volumes on U.S. exchanges. Yeah, but think about it, dude. Tutson ban, it has not popped at all. We'll check it ban, dude, for sure. But think about it. Crypto's worldwide. It's not just available to the U.S. So there's a lot of other places that are still going to trade XRP. They're still going to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, every other crypto asset. If the U.S. wants to declare everything to be a security, they can do it. They'll alienate everyone in the U.S., right? And the rest of the world will just move along with crypto, right? When people stop dropping the dollar as a de facto go-to currency for reserves and start using Bitcoin and other stuff, the U.S. now going to have to play catch-up and go and say, oh no, forgive our stance, we're dumb, we shouldn't have taken an anti-crypto stance, we always want to fight everything for some reason because we don't understand it, but now we're going to go pro-crypto again. Look, they're afraid, man. Crypto's going to take their power. Tutson Band, it has not popped at all. Yeah, we'll check it out. That'll be too late. I know, but that's what's gonna happen, man. If they start alienating people, and then people are gonna go elsewhere, right? Look, it's easy. You don't have to exchanges or centralized exchanges are gonna go away at some point in time. I mean, you're gonna need them just for an on ramp, but they're gonna have to go away at some point in time, right? Because DEXs are taking over, right? People can trade quicker on a decentralized exchange. Not really going and not having to provide KYC, AML compliance, and everything else that they're trying to regulate. So we still have all these exchanges that are, peer-to-peer, and they're much quicker, let's say. But let's say the U.S. bans crypto. What do you think people in other countries are going to do, right? You're going to start seeing services come up where yo, bro, I'm in Mexico. Send me the dollar transfer. I'll grab that amount. I'll take a 5% cut of what you're sending me, and I'll buy crypto and send it to your wallet, period. I'll become like an agent, right? I'll send it to a wallet that you own, that you give me the address for, that, it's not traceable to you as a person. You can hold your crypto there, and whenever you need to sell it, you can always send it back to me. I'll sell it at market value, and I'll just send you the money again, and I'll take another 5% cut. You're going to have middlemen that are going to search, and, so that people that want to hold crypto are able to hold it, but since they cannot just buy it straight in the U.S., they're going to look for alternatives. And we might see a lot of these small companies popping up to, sell crypto services to U.S. citizens, but outside of the U.S., right? Cross-border P2P inflated, though. Yeah. Well, that's true, dude. If someone wants to hold XRP and they cannot buy it on, Coinbase, etc., they can send me money. I'll buy it on Bitso and, charge them for something and send it to their wallet, right? That's it. I have no problem doing that. I don't think it's illegal. There's no regulation on it, I think. But, that person gets his XRP. I get some money from it, from providing a service, right? And everyone's happy, right? That's going to become the way to work, I guess. And as soon as the U.S., if the U.S. starts shutting down the U.S. exchanges or goes after exchanges, we're probably going to see a lot of these microservices pop up. And for reals, I have no problem setting up one of those, man. Anyways. Correct. Cross-border P2P inflated. Yeah. Yeah. All right, so let's keep it rolling, dude. Let's do XRP. XRP is still losing a lot. All right, it dropped to support areas. We knew we were gonna hit there. We even hit 17 0.16. We're sitting right now somewhere along the 19 or 20 area, 2033 to actually below that area. 23. Why can I not see this, man? Right, here we go. 2033 to 19758, right? That's where we're floating at. And it looks like we really want to drop slightly more. Dude, XRP is not doing good at all, man. A lot of people are going out there and are bullish AF on XRP. That's fine. You can be as bullish as you want on XRP. I'm super bearish until there's clarity. I told you guys I sold my XRP. I'm going to buy back in when it drops to a very low price. And I'm going to just get a huger supply of XRP. And then when it pops, I'll be set. Right? Boomer, if the taxman comes for me, I'll tell him you lost my keys. So it's a total loss. What's your top 3 exchanges to trade on? Did I already address that someday? I have to use Bitso as an on-ramp because I'm in Mexico. So I have to use Bitso by default. There's nothing I can do there. I have to use Binance sometimes to get a hold of some small projects that are not tradable anywhere else, or they just don't list anywhere else. And then I use Coinbase to receive tips. I have a CoinField account where I got free dough, and I bought Solo, and then I have a blockchain account. And yeah, other than that, just some dexes that I use, right? Like BlockDex and other ones. Oh, South Exchange I also use. South Exchange is a non-KYC exchange, which is cool. Right, and we'll see. Anyways. Right, XRP is still dropping, like I said, right? Let's go to daily. Wow, guess what? We're still doing bullish divergence. We took a pop, right? We called that yesterday. We said, look, we're creating bullish divergence. It's the first island. We can still drop more. And I said, even I made the joke, one island bullish, a bullish divergence does not make it. All right, so, well, sometimes it does trigger on one bar, but you know, we're making a new island, so that's fine. We dropped lower, created that bullish divergence, took a pop. It did go to 25 cents. I was a little bit excited for it, right? Almost 26 cents. I got excited for it. You know, I thought it was really going to do something. Then I remember, like, you know, they're in the hole, dude. There's no way I'm going to get into this. And I'm glad I didn't take any action. Because, you know, I did want to buy down here. I said, maybe it rises. But no, I have a clear entry. 5 to 10 cents. That's going to be my entry for XRP again, maybe. Depending on how bad the news are still. By whenever it reaches there. Anyways, still dropping. Nothing else happening besides that bullishness. And sold at 33.43 on the RSI. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Boomer, gonna put my ledger in my cat's name. Nothing pipped up. What's that, Steve? I'm not sure. Right on, so low, lower. Look at this, man. Look at this strong bullish divergence, dude. Again, doesn't matter. Not really. I mean, it was a nice pop. I wouldn't have mind getting 27% or 30%, right? But I do believe the risk is very big with XRP right now. 16.25, 15, so lower still. So we just have this strong bullish divergence against the MACD. We took that pop again, rejecting right on hidden bearish, by the way, just in case you want to know why we reject it. We have hidden bearish divergence high to lower high. And we're going from positive to more positive. And high to low, we don't have it against RSI. And that note we're sold at 38.89. Boomer, bigger the risk, the bigger the reward or loss. Yeah. Anyways, yep, that's it, dude. Right, not a lot happening, just that small move. Great stuff, though. Right. Again, I'm not going to risk it by going into this project anytime soon, man. I don't believe it's going to pick up against Steam until we get a lot more clarity. Like Coinbase, I'm not sure how that's working for people. What's going on tonight? Well, Bitcoin's still at it, you know, pumping again today. And Ethereum's also pumping, XRP is dropping, and we'll see the rest of the coins. I don't know what I'm going to do with the... I'm not sure if I can buy XRP on Coinbase, right? Being that I'm outside of the US, but Coinbase is just one whole exchange. So I'm not sure if if you're tagged as a US citizen, maybe they just disabled it for you, or if they just disable it for everyone because they're in the US. So I'm not sure how they're working with that. I know that they're going to be alienating a lot of people that are not in the US, that are customers of them, if they don't do something with their exchange, right? So Binance has that going on for them, right? Binance created an exchange just for U.S. customers, where they can regulate what's in their exchange in the U.S., but they just still can do whatever they want with the rest of the world on their Binance exchange, right? On Binance.com. Anyways, Steve saying, I shorted that pop. What's going on tonight? You shorted that pop? The pop on XRP? This pop you shorted? Or you shorted up here? You see my Discord comment. I wonder when Bitcoin will have 30% plus pullback, or will it? It could, man, Apostolic. I'm not 100% sure we're out of the woods with that. We're going to get pullback. Steve, everyone. They are a U.S. firm. They will need an outside corp. Buy and hold XRP on Binance at 15. Yeah. I can do that. I'm outside of the U.S. Right? So, I can even buy it on Bitso. Chakalaka, so thanks. Boomer. I know some of the Canadian exchanges have sent me emails saying they're not delisting XRP. Short at the top of the pop. Oh, that's pretty good, man. So you're making some good profit then. That's awesome, bro. Sorry, man. I didn't see the comment on Discord. Did you send it to me on the Discord? Dude, I'm not seeing your comment, bro. I just said, heard a juicy rumor someone's going to be unloading 500,000 Bitcoin in the next couple weeks. Holy shit, I just can't even. And then Andrew said, I'm live on TikTok. And then Jake said it's an old Bitcoin trust. I'm not sure. It's a friend that just give you a heads up. That's that. You didn't say anything about the pop. All right, shorting. And boys here, and Jer Nuts is here also. Thank you. Thank you for being here, guys. A lot of people joining this. That's great, man. We're starting to create a community finally. I'm so happy. Anyways, yeah. Not sure how people are finding the Discord, but thank you for being here, guys. If you like what we do, definitely hit that like, that bell, that stuff. Join us on YouTube. If you want to help out the channel, give us a like there. And then if you want to join us on the Discord, I'll just post the link to the server. Yar. Ooh, Jake's watching. Just saw a little eyes pop up. That's your favorite channel because of the interaction. Sure, dude. If you need something from me, because I've seen you send messages, but you don't at me, so I have it muted. If you need something from me, just make sure you add me on the Discord. If you don't, then I'll just see it whenever I come in and sit down. It's been super busy today. I told you guys I have to finish 17-hour training session for an HR stuff from the company I'm working with. So I'm already at 10 to 11 hours into the program. So tomorrow I just got to do 7 hours. I might do another hour before I go to sleep tonight. So it's been super crazy, dude. I haven't had a lot of time to do anything throughout the day. So if you don't ping me, I'm not looking at the Discord consistently. Plus, I'm dealing with a lot of end of year stuff. So year closing, financial year closing. So I fiscal year. Everything is closing right now in the next couple of days. So I'm overloaded with information. If you don't ping me on the Discord, I'm not gonna be looking at it. All right. Anyways, Steve saying short at the top of XRP. And the Bitcoin news is 3% of available supply. Wow, yeah, that's a lot, though. Maybe some huge firm buys it, right? On an off-the-books deal. I'm not sure, man. Let's go check out Litecoin. Right on. So let's go Litecoin on the daily. What's it doing? It's still pumping, dude. We still have the bearish divergence. We moved down. We're flagging here sideways. We hit a support at the 786 at $119.86. That's beautiful. But again, just looks like sideways motion. We're definitely going slightly higher. We're still coming lower. We're definitely still coming lower here. So bought at 67.81. But we still have strong bearish divergence. And probably that's what we're stalling here. Plus, Bitcoin consolidating is what's also keeping us at bay. For our chart. Bearish divergence, moving down, failed to get higher than the previous high, and then dropping since, right? Trying to go higher right now, but failing. That's fine. Low, high, no. Negative, less negative, low, high. Nothing bullish right now, but also nothing new bearish is developing. Just neutral at 55.95 on the RSI. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. For the little things disappear here, man. What did I just do, man? There we go. I think I actually hit the volume keys. Right, so Litecoin. High to low. Low to high, right? Some hidden bearish developing. And why we're stalling and moving down right now, right? It's just developing the last 2 hours. Right? Low to high. Right? And then here also, low to high, right? So there's that hidden bearish. Actually, the downside, that's fine. Look, we created some strong bullish yesterday night. Post stream, right? At 10 a.m. Today, sorry. I wasn't really looking at the charts today at all, dude. So, you know, I was happy with the way Bitcoin was performing, so I'm okay with that. Might be good to get some Bitcoin out there. Yeah, maybe, Victor. Thanks for being here, man. Much appreciated. Let's look at BTC down. Praying hands. Sure, bro. I'm queuing it, so, We'll after Binance, basically we'll go ADA link up dot band and Bitcoin down then, and then after that we'll do DVT and then RSR. So I'm already queuing stuff. So if you guys know how this rolls, right? Did I do ADA? No, dude, I haven't done ADA. I'm just like I'm barely getting through the stream right now. I started late. I started like half an hour late almost. Did you guys get notification from YouTube saying that I was live? I'm not sure. I cleared my cache, so I'm not sure if you guys got the notification or not. Anyways, and we have that divergence again, neutral at 58. That's it on Litecoin, right? Let's go check out. So again, strong bullish divergence. We have the hidden bearish. There's a chance that the strong bullish could still trump the hidden bearish, right? And we might, you know, move down to 20, find support, and then pop. So we'll see how this keeps on going. Apostolic, I got a notification. Jake saying yep. And then didn't, but it looked awesome. Victor Miller, the word is Cash App and PayPal are buying more Bitcoin each day than is being mined per day. Yeah, we know. Not only them, a lot of funds are still adding Bitcoin. So the amount of Bitcoin that gets buy every day, it's more than there's available in the market. And that's happening is that there's a shortage of supply. All right. What that means is that basically they're buying everything that's produced plus whatever else is extra on exchanges that is being sold. And thus the price keeps on rising. So right now it's a good time to still add Bitcoin. I wouldn't advise against adding a lot of Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin looking like it's breaking 28K again, heading for 28,500. Yeah, we'll check it out in a second, dude. Before I go on to ADA, I'll do a quick recap of Bitcoin. I'm interested to see how Bitcoin's gonna do. Remember I told you guys we're finding support. We're still there. It's beautiful, dude. Everything's happening amazingly enough for Bitcoin. So 11 people watching, 12 people watching. That's so cool. But only 5 likes. Come on, hit them likes. PayPal isn't buying any Bitcoin. PayPal is stealing it from its members who buy it. Yeah. Well, basically you sell it back to Bitcoin, right, at current price. So you buy it and you can only sell it back to Bitcoin. Bitcoin's just not offloading it back into the market. So yeah, they're kind of just buying it for their customers. That's sort of like a custodian service, I would say, right now, because you can only buy it and sell it back to them. You cannot trade it, withdraw it, or send it anywhere else, right? So it's like a little bit of a crippled thing. They're trying to get some action in the market. I don't think they're getting the right kind of action, but we'll see, bro. Right, so Binance on daily at $37.55. How high did we go yesterday? 39.03. That's fine. So we're pulling back a little bit. We no longer had this bearish divergence that we were looking for, right? This is not the bearish divergence that we were looking for because we went higher and everything else seems to be going higher as well, right? Higher and higher, so that's fine. We knew there was a chance we were going to break this. We were still going slightly higher yesterday. We just didn't know if we were going to get a lot of pullback with Bitcoin moving down. PayPal isn't buying any Bitcoin. Yeah, okay, so I read that already. When you sell it, PayPal just keeps in paying you cash. Yeah. And then probably when you buy, you just buy back from the same supply they have. Or maybe they buy new supply. And then, you know, they just keep on adding Bitcoin to their account that way. Right? They're probably like finding a loophole to do something crazy like that. Anyways, what's going on here? Let's see. The strike's onto there, right? It's all the highest point to the lowest point. So there's still that bearish divergence moving down on Binance. The 4-hour chart, that's fine. Nothing on the short term, right? So just neutral at 58.26. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Right on. So we were going really high yesterday. There was no way we were going to get divergence. We already knew that. So we didn't have anything coming up here. We just moved down, hit that 20, try to find support. Failed to go higher than the previous high. And that's it. There's really not a lot going on. We're starting to create some hidden bullish. But that's about it for Binance, right? Negative. More negative. We might even be creating some strong bullish right now. Let's see. 158, 151. Yeah, we are. So I'll call the hidden bullish to here. And then I'll go, it just pumped back up slightly, but we'll go here. If it drops slightly lower, we're gonna be creating some strong bullish, right? Right now we just have the hidden divergence still, so I'll just move that onto there and that onto there, and that'll just work it out the same. And high to low also, right? That's great. So we have that hidden bullish. For potential reversal to happen, maybe try to get like slightly higher. Boomer saying it's genius. There's a lot of chat going on. Let me go back to Bitcoin real quick, see where it's at. 28K again. Yes, I love it, man. The 1 hour chart, great, man. Right on. Let's see what's happening here. We're literally financing PayPal's Bitcoin back. It's genius. Yeah. Boomer. So in a sense, yes, they're buying it, but they're not. But we're not the payment system launches. But if you buy something with your coins, they pay the cash and keep the coins. Yeah. That's what BitBay does also, right? Or what was that other exchange where like you could, pay with it on BitBay and like the seller would receive cash, but BitBay keeps the crypto? It's the same way, dude. It's just PayPal's doing it now. But they're actually allowing to buy and hold on their wallet, which is fine. They make less fees associated with the transaction. Probably they do. In coins, probably, yeah. Right on. So 28,010, right? We did close the last candle at 28,037. That's fine. We still have these divergences that we're tracking, right? Look at this beautiful support. We were here last night, right? Or somewhere on here last night. And look, we drew this line of support. It became resistance briefly. You got above it, found support. Again, support here. Then just popped. So very, very nice for Bitcoin. Like I said, we're consolidating at this level. And I told you guys, I'm not worried about Bitcoin until we get below 24,900 maybe. Or even 24,000, dude. So I do believe that and like I said, this is probably going to be weak resistance. We don't have a lot of information here except that we, resisted here and bounced here, right? So that's it. 25,500 might be very weak. We haven't retested it. And then below that, we have 24,848, which might give us a little bit more support. And right now, I'm just really, really targeting this area. That seems to be holding perfectly. Like resistance, support, support, resistance, support, right? Resistance, resistance, and then support, right? So it's nice. It's nice. We know we're in a good area. We're going slightly higher. I'm not going to call anything here yet because we just got to bob it, like, no problem. We'll just keep on seeing how this keeps on developing. Let's go check out ADA, man. ADA, what is happening? ADA taking a pop, dude. This is against Bitcoin, though. ADA taking a pop above the old 100%. We knew that was going to happen. We're looking for that divergence, right? That potential bearish divergence being there, which we obviously undid, which is fine, actually. I like it, dude. Right, we're slightly lower. We still have it right now. It's probably why it's moving us down. But now we know we're going to try to find support here at 17,000. Sorry, 17,000. At 17.31 cents or 17.27 cents, right? Those are targets for support. Low, high, positive, more positive, high. There's the hard point, right? Just have that strong bearish divergence from way back here. That's it, dude. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Look, we're looking for the bearish divergence here, remember? Let's go up. We'll pump more. Now we're going higher. I think so, dude. I think we're going higher. 222, 256. So, yeah, we went slightly higher. We kind of negated the bearish divergence that we were looking for. And that's actually fine. All right. So, we're taking this nice pop still. Starting to retrace a little bit. We might have some bearish divergence in the 1 hour. That's pumping us down. We're probably going to be aiming for support at 17.15 cents. Bought at 61.38. Look at this. I told you we were going to find something here. And we did. High, higher. Also was positive. High on their side to lower point, right? Bearish divergence. Strong. Action downside, going down, hitting that 20, trying to find support and then losing it. We have some bullish divergence as well. We'll go to here right now. And, negative, more negative. Did I forget to anchor this in the 1 hour? Yeah, it's in the 1 hour, that's fine. We don't have it against RSI. Let's go short term here. Low, lower. Where are we at with the negative momentum? Let's see, 104, 109, and this is 116. So more negative momentum, lower on the RSI, right? We had the bullish divergence to here. It already took us at that pop. We felt to go higher than the previous high. And guess what? We're dropping lower still, making more negative momentum. So we still have this hidden bullish. And again, hidden bullish is one of those things that can keep on tracking, and I've mentioned that plenty of times. What do I mean by that? It can just keep on dropping, right, forever. And this will keep on making more negative momentum, and we'll still have hidden bullish. That's why I don't like it so much as an indicator. I just look at it for a potential area of support. Maybe some stalling to happen, but you know, sometimes it just keeps on tracking forever, man. But right now, we could be looking at an area of support, right? We might have something around here. Let's do this, man. We might have some kind of support around this area. I'll put it there, right? Support, resistance and support, right? So we might have something here. We also might have created something here. I don't like this one too much, but you know, we'll see. Again, not looking too hot right now, but might move down maybe to that 1767 area. I know we have something on the daily here. So it's this one here, right? 1715. So it's close enough, I guess. Just put this new one up here slightly higher. But this one seems to make a little bit more sense on the daily. Because I think on the 4 hour we hit a couple areas there. So right here, right? Support, support, resistance, right? That's what we drew this one. And also this one here. That's it, dudes. Let's go check out Link Up. What's happening with Link Up? Let's see. Right on. We can work with this. It's doable. We have some divergence, strong bullish divergence for potential action to the upside, right? Look, lower, lower, negative, less negative. I already checked. So this is 0.465 negative, 0.437 negative. So we definitely do have some strong bullish divergence. Trying to take a pop, but failing to go higher. If we fail to drop lower in the previous low, that would be this one here. We could be going on that pop, right? So I'm looking for that. Sold at 38.68. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. Low, lower, negative, more negative. Low on there, set lower point. Nothing there. 2.7. Right. Some hidden bearish on the 4 hour, right? That's why we're sort of breaking down, right? Moving down slightly. Because we do have this hidden bearish against RSI, but nothing against the MACD. Neutral at 43.28. That's it. Let's go to the 1 hour, dude. Low, high, positive, more positive, high, and there's such a hard point. That's fine. Low, high, negative, more negative. Right, some hidden bullish. Let's anchor this to the 1 hour. The mighty 1 hour chart. For the same point here. Hidden bullish from here to here. We had some strong bullish divergence against the MACD and the RSI before we actually took that nice pump. So let's draw them out. High, low, high, low, high, low, high, low. Nothing else happening that's bearish right now. Just neutral at 41.22. We're rejecting the 20. That's it, dude. That's all I'm gonna call for this. We could try to go from here to here and say, look, we're going from negative to positive, just like when we do it with the with the negative momentum, right? Say we're going from negative to positive, right? We could say we're going from negative to positive. We're going from 0 to positive, right? Create some hidden bearish, but I just don't feel like this will be right to call. So I usually don't like to go from the zeros, right? I don't mind going from positive to zero, but going from zero to positive, it's a little bit less reliable, I would say, right? So that's it for link up, dude. Let's go check out DOT. I know we have a couple DOT charts open. I can't remember which one's the one we looked at. Might have been this one, yeah. Right, so DOT taking a massive pump yesterday, 28%. Still do a massive pump today, 14%, and then for tomorrow we already opened the market. We know we still have 19 hours and 41 minutes to go on the 30th, and we're moving down slightly, 0.94%. So we're looking for some bearish divergence, which we obviously negated, right? We went higher, right? Higher on the RSI, higher on the MACD. So that's fine. Let's get rid of this. Nothing bearish right now. So we're just highly overbought at 75.13. We might be coming down to a neutral zone. We could be coming to this old 100% area here at 6.89. Sorry guys, I got an itch in my eye, dude. I think it's all the videos I've been watching for that HR stuff. Oh, 10 people watching, awesome. If you guys haven't done it yet, hit that like, that bell, that sub, right? Love y'all. Thank you for subbing, thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing. Hey Andrew, how's it going, man? DOT higher, more positive, higher on the other side. Nothing here in the short term, right? Everything's good. That's it for DOT, dude. We had some bullish divergence back here. I'm not sure why. Is this the only DOT chart that I have? It is. Wow. There's some divergence here, by the way. Way back when, right? So, but this already passed when we looked at this yesterday or 2 days ago. Whenever we looked at this. But actually, the upside, we haven't created anything bearish since. Just overbought at 77.41. Let's go to the 1 hour chart, man. Bearish divergence, right? At yesterday. Yeah, 8 p.m. So, and we moved down on that, hit the 20 support. Now it's really popped, so that's fine. Now low to high, low to high. Negative, more negative. We don't have it against the RSI. So there's some hidden bullish, taking that new pop, then high, and low, right? Awesome, dude, this works. High, higher high, and positive to less positive. And high on the RSI to a lower point, right? So we're creating some bearish divergence. Strong bearish divergence reaction to downside. Again, target, we're very likely to be the 20. 20 sitting at $7, almost in DOT, 7.0035. We're sitting at $7.43, so it's a 43-cent drop that we're looking at. Bought at 66.02. Will we hit the 20? That'll be the primary target, right? If we break there, we have some support here at the old 100% at 6.89. That would be a secondary target. So let's keep on watching DOT. Let's see what it does. It looks like it's losing that positive momentum. We might get a cross with the MACD under the second line. With that, we could get that movement to come down slightly. It could just be something like this where we just flag slightly sideways and then pump again. Andrew, how's it going? It's going good, man. Thanks for asking. It's just been super heavy today. Remember I told you guys I'm doing this HR stuff. I'm up to 11 hours now into training. So it's been a hell of a day, man. I'm tired of watching videos. I'm tired of all this HR stuff that I got memorized. And I'm tired of noticing that they are they're preaching a lot of stuff for HR that the company doesn't do, right? Like I'm looking at all this stuff and I'm like, dude, talent retention, they don't care. Like all these hiring strategies and how we should worry about the people within the company, but they really don't do that. You know, it's just kind of like it seems a little bit hypocritical, or yeah, it seems like a hypocrisy to do that, right? They make you take out like HR courses that just tell you to do a lot of stuff that we know they're preaching, but they're not doing. So it's just like kind of pointless at some point in time. Like, look, I just gotta get through this because I'll see what I can take from it. There's like good stuff there, dude, right? I assume there's companies that actually do care that much about candidate experience and talent retention and hiring practices, etc., and disabilities and people for fair hiring, etc. But in our company, that's not the reality. So yeah, it's just kind of like pointless. It seems utopical. I think that they're gonna do all that, but whatever, man. They're trying to change, I guess, and it starts with every single person that is within the HR or has access to HR, right? So yeah. Anyways, if you like what we do, hit that like that button. That's yeah. Anyways, moving down slightly. That's it for DOT, man. Let's go check out Banned. Because this shit don't even know the name of my band. But they're on me like they want to hold hands. Because once I blow, they'll know that I'll be the one. I'll be the man. Because I'm the lead singer of my band, right? By the way, if you don't get that reference, shame on you. Low, lower, negative, or negative, low, there's a lower point, right? Nothing here in band that is bullish right now. Let me short term. High. Going up, hitting the 20 and rejecting. We had bearish divergence. Did we create more bearish divergence? Yeah, we created slightly more bearish divergence since we visited this project a while back. No takers on my band. Bearish divergence. Action to the downside. We're still dropping on that. Nothing bullish developing since. That's fine. Just neutral at 43.33. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. No more negative, low, lower, right? Nothing to here. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high, right? Nothing to here. High, higher, positive, more positive, high, higher. Nothing here on the short term. High, low. There was some bearish divergence from back here, but it's already passed. And I'll just draw it for good order's sake. That's about it. I'm really not gonna put. There's nothing here on the short term that I'm looking at least until what I've seen right now. I'm gonna take another quick look, see if I find something else happening here, but I doubt it. I doubt it. Alright, some hidden bullish starting to get developed here, right? Native. More negative. We don't have it against our side, just against the MACD. Probably why we're struggling here to drop lower, creating these indecision doji. Might try to move up again, but we just have 26 minutes into this candle, so many things can happen still. Might go to the 20 and reject. We'll see. Again, band neutral at 45.95. Y'all remember Outcast? Whatever happened to them, dude? That was a good group. I wish they would have kept on making tracks, dude. It was I liked Outcast a lot. Low to high, high to low, high to slightly higher. Some bearish divergence against the MACD. Nothing against the RSI, so that's fine. And from here to here, here to here. Hidden bullish, action to the opposite. I think that popped. And low, lower, right. Negative, less negative. Strong bullish, taking another pop. Rejecting a 20, going down now. If we fail to go lower in the previous low, strong bullish still kicks in and pumps us up higher, right? That's it. We don't have anything else that's bullish right now. Just neutral at 42 points. 47 on the RSI. Make sure everything's fine with the stream. And it seems that it is. What else, dude? Band. Let's go check out Bitcoin Down. That's the next one on the list. Bitcoin down, man. It's going down. It is going down. Alright, so, dude, I'm not sure how good technicals are for this stuff. Bitcoin down, Bitcoin up, all this stuff, right? But it seems like it's shorts, it's still doing the opposite of the price of Bitcoin, so yeah. Negative or negative, or low, lower, right? So negative, less, negative, low, lower. We have some strong bullish divergence for the daily. Again, I'm not sure how strong this is going to be for Bitcoin, but or Bitcoin down against Tether, like a feather. So let's go to the 4-hour chart, right? You're into Bitcoin down at 5.54. So you grab some action in this last week that just happened. Looks legit. Low, lower. Negative, that's negative, low, high, right? And it's starting to pick up a little bit. That means probably Bitcoin's going down slightly. Let's see where Bitcoin's at right now for price. 27,800, right? So we were at 28,000. Now we're at 27,800. So yeah, it's basically it's shorts. Basically, you're shorting Bitcoin with this. Right there, that's what it's looking like, anyways, because of the price and how it's moving. Sold at 33.51. That's it. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. 1-hour chart. Highs, sideways. There is some medium. Right, sideways here. Medium bearish divergence, right? For action to downside. Broke down on that. Low, lower, negative, less, negative, low, there's a lower point. Nothing bullish right now. Against way back here, we do have some strong bullish against the RSI. That'll be about it, though, right? When sold, sitting oversold, we're sold right now, 32.70. Crypto Boss Andrew, I'm in a 30 times Bitcoin trade. Wow. You're doing the $100 portfolio challenge. Trying to get to 100,000 by the end of the bull run or more. So your 30,000 Bitcoin portfolio, your not 30,000, your 30x Bitcoin trade that you're in right now. I'm assuming you're longing it right now, or are you shorting? I'm not sure what you're saying. You just said you're in a 30x, but I'm not sure if you're longing or shorting, dude. And I'm not sure when you get liquidated on what kind of drop. Well, do let me know. I'm interested, right? Right, so you're longing it. That's fine, dude. That's it for Bitcoin down, though, right? Let's go do DVT, man. DVT at 2 sats again. Look, took some small pops to 24, 23. That's awesome, dude. 22, right? Quick 10% pops. Let's get some MACD and RSI out here. If you're new to the channel, you already know why I'm doing this project. I have a massive bag I'm holding for it. I bought into it, right? I'm part of the marketing DAO as well, but I've been doing this before I was part of the marketing DAO. And again, I'm not shilling the project, I'm not pushing the project on you guys. The only reason I check it out is because I have a massive holding on it and I'm interested in my stake. That's why. Anyways. You're long, so you're currently up 100%. That's awesome, bro. That's beautiful, man. Good luck with that, Andrew. I hope you can get it to 100K. Then you can become an awesome benefactor. No, I'm kidding, dude. Let's keep the show rolling. You can become a benefactor of the crypto arts. Buy a lot of NFTs, dude. Hi, low, hi, sim high, and then let's fix this real quick. It's looking horrible here. On the MACD, high, low, sideways. There's really nothing bearish. Nothing bullish. Let's go to the 4-hour one. So you started last week, currently at 235. That's awesome, bro. Where are you placing? Dude, just got tongue twisted there. Where are you placing your longs at? Or are you shorts? Or what exchange are you using? Let me know in the chat. Anyways, if you guys like what we do, hit that like, that bell, and that sub. Hit that like right now, actually. And then you can hit sub while you're at it. And then hit the small bell. And then you'll be set for life. No, he bought 100 of Bitcoin at 30 times leverage. I think that's what he said. But I'm not sure he played that one since last week. You had a long from 24,200. That's pretty good. Right, so what's happening here on the 4-hour high-low? Right, so there was some bearish divergence. I think we already discussed that yesterday, right? But, you know, it's there. Also against the RSI. So there's some hidden bearish divergence for actually down. So we move down. Try to take a pop, high-low, high-low, high-low. That's it. There's nothing else happening here on DVT, right? Nothing bullish. That's it. Let's go to the daily. Right, on the daily, we already know we had some bearish divergence from here to here. Hello. Low to high. Low to high, right? So we already knew we were playing with this. Let's see if we have something in the short term. Low, high, negative, positive, low, high. Nothing there, dude. So nothing bullish right now. Just this hidden bearish. And again, it doesn't seem to be strong enough to just break it below its 2 sat support. So it's holding on fine right now. Let's go back here and look at RSR, dude. Something happened here. Brad Garlinghouse. 30 times leverage, XRP long on Bybit. That's pretty good. That's a pretty good name also, by the way. Be careful you don't get, like, you know, make sure you don't get, how do we say this, dude? Make sure your account doesn't get, or YouTube doesn't believe you're like an imposter and then your account gets suspended for using someone else's name. But that's funny, dude. CryptoBoss Andrew just increased leverage to 30x. That's cool, man. I talked about it in my channel. If you're relying XRP, no, XRP, right? Now leverage, you're getting wrecked, in my opinion. Yeah, sometimes leverage XRP long and Bybit. Oh, dude, that's a tough one, dude. I wouldn't be longing it right now. Particularly on the news, right? I told you guys, once it drops slightly more, I will probably get back into XRP. But for the time being, I'm glad I got out. I'm saving a lot of money by being out. I'm going to be able to buy a larger position whenever I want to buy it back in. And I'm going to have a massive position with a little bit less than what I had invested onto XRP, which is going to be good because I'm probably going to buy the same or more position like what I had before selling for a fraction of the price. And then part of the money that I have, I can invest elsewhere. And that's what I'm really aiming for. Get back the same position of XRP at a lower price, ride that magical pump. You know, it'll still go up, it'll still make more money, but, you know, I'll still have enough left over to where I can buy a lot more stuff with it. So that's pretty good. Anyways, Bitcoin down, that's it, dude. Right. We already did DVT, so let's go check out RSR. RSR, dude. High, low, high, low, high, low. Right, so nothing here on the daily. Let's go on the daily, sorry. Had the bullish divergence, taking that pump, 1.95 cents. Again, rejecting the 50% mark, that's fine. Still above the 20, I like that. But, you know, I really wish we were pumping more. We're about to get the cross of MACD over the RSI. Let's look at where we're at in regards to 200 moving average. We are nowhere because it's not there. We don't have 200 periods to look at this. So that's interesting. Brad Garlinghouse. Even I sold all my XRP. Yeah. That's actually funny, man. Damn, dude. That's funny. Oh, dude. I don't think Brad Garlinghouse can actually sell all his XRP. He probably has an employee contract that, you know, prevents him from offloading everything onto the market because he will probably just flood and tank the price even more. I think all XRP or Ripple executives cannot sell, or they probably have a limit on how much they can sell their portfolio. Let's go on the day 4 hour, man. There's nothing here. High, low, low, high, low, high, low, high, high, low, high, low, high, low. Nothing bearish, dude. That just gives us the green light to keep on going higher. Oh, dude, we are creating something bearish. We didn't have it yesterday, I think, but now we do. Well, we probably did have this yesterday, but I didn't look at it. Let's draw this line from high to low. It's in the 4 hour, beautiful, man. And then here it's 0000239. Here's 0003, right? So 2, 3, and then 3, so higher, right? Some bearish divergence hidden. Move down on that. Hit a 20, taking a pop. I probably missed this one when I was calling the charts yesterday. Thinking about bouncing to 20, but nothing else bullish, right? Let's go to the 1 hour then. Now, 1 hour we had the bullish divergence here, right? We took that small pop, rejection. It's fine. That's fine here. Where are we at here? 904, 105. So it's slightly more negative momentum, right? So we created the hidden bullish to here. We took that pop. Then we dropped slightly more. We're still creating hidden bullish, right? Even against the RSI. Taking that new pop, rejecting the 50% retrace. High low, positive is positive, high to low on the RSI neutral. At 58.94, that's it, dude. Not a lot happening there with RSR. So, let me make sure we haven't missed anything. Thank y'all for being here, by the way. I'm super glad that y'all came in to the show. Apostolic, Soka, Steve, Boomer, Jake, Victor Miller, our favorite Bond villain, and Brad Garlinghouse, star of the show tonight. Like I said, thank y'all for being here. And if you have any requests, let me know. I'm not signing off yet, but if you have any requests, let me know. There's a lot of people tuned in. That's awesome. If you like what we do, hit that like, that bell, and the sub. Do it now. I encourage you to do it. You'll make me super happy. And Jake, I'm not. Did I mention you, Jake, or did I skip you? I'm sorry, dude. I'm not sure if I mentioned you or I skipped you, dude. I hope I didn't skip you. For some reason, I tried to read every one that was there, man. I mentioned you. All right, that's cool. If you got any requests, let me know, dude. Because that's it, dude. I'm gonna start doing gold and silver right now while the requests come up. Bitcoin 28,000 again, so that Bitcoin down. It's probably losing some of that punch, right? That it had. Let's go check it out just to make sure. 'Cause I'm pretty sure that when we're talking about the Bitcoin down, we're shorting it, right? But we're shorting it on Binance and probably not using leverage. Let's go check that out real quick. See Bitcoin down doing the opposite, right? Pulling back down. We had bumped a bit, pulling back down, right? So it's all good. Let's do gold silver real quick. What's happening with gold, man? The gold pumping a little bit. Oh my god, it's at the same high that was back here. Oh no. What are we doing? What are we doing, Captain? Well, we're creating a medium bearish divergence, sir. For potential action to the downside. What do we have here on the other side? 58, 26, and 57. Slightly less also. Oh my goodness, it's everywhere. We have the medium bearish divergence. Trading on Binance, it has 3 times leverage. That's awesome, dude. Anyways, we have that hidden bearish. So potential moving down. Gold can still pump. Then we'll just be creating strong bearish. That's fine, For right now, we'll just call it medium because it seems to be flirting with this area. Oh, fuck, I deleted something else. For some reason, when I undo, it used to undo this move, right, that I just made. And now it doesn't want to undo it. It just lifts it up there, and then it deletes the next thing I drew. Let's go check out silver. What's happening with silver? Again, we had the bearish divergence. We still have the strong bearish divergence for potential action to the downside against the MACD and the RSI. Bought at 65.40. Sitting at $26.41 per ounce. Let's go check out the Dow. Oh no, it lost 68 points. That's good. We had bearish divergence, right? We still track down onto there. That tracks onto there. This stays there. That's fine. Move down slightly. Dow Live moving up 40 points, 47 points. Actually trying to make up what it lost yesterday. Look, it's still pumped down there. Move that there and move that there still. Great stuff. S&P down 8.32 points. It opened up on the high and then it moved down throughout the day. London up 224 points. That's good, man. It's creating bearish divergence still. Look at that. Beautiful, man. We don't have it here against the RSI anymore, so that's why we'll delete this one. Just bought at 64.71. Then Nikkei gaining 714 points. That's a nice game for the Nikkei. It had stagnated for a bit. Worried about the pump though. Look at this, man. We had the bearish divergence, we kind of flatlined, but now we can really anchor this bearish divergence to the new high and go from positive to negative and from high to low, right? Lower high on the RSI. So we bought at 74.95, so there's a chance the Nikkei could turn down. Toronto down 80 points. Doesn't have anything else happening for it. Great stuff, Toronto. You're doing great, man. Keep up the good work. 59.64, 59.14. Some very, very slight hidden bullish. That's it, dude. That's all I can see here on that Toronto. There we go. West Texas at $48.06. It's just, again, sideways motion. We bounced at the 20. We're failing to go lower. We still have this bearish divergence there to play. We don't have anything else that is bullish, so we might start stagnating here a little bit. Brent oil at 51.22 again, same, more or less the same thing, right? It could be due to COVID again, and the second wave that's picking up, and people not using their cars a lot. So oil, it's trying to maintain itself, by regulating oil production, keep the price up there, because we know there's probably a lot less gas being used right now with everything that's happening with COVID, not just in the U.S., but everywhere else in the world. So we'll see. Steve saying, nice. Yes, very nice, Steve. We're up to 10 likes. It's so awesome. Yo, what do you guys want to look at? Let me know in the chat. Haven't received any requests. Wow, we got to 100 chats today again. Wow, that's awesome. 2 days in a row. 100 messages. Wow. What do I want to talk about, man? What's the plan for New Year's Eve? I don't know, dude. Might be here earlier than usual, like I did for Christmas. Might be a short stream. The wife's gonna do the New Year's dinner, so that's fine. I'm off the hook for that one. I'm not sure what the plan's gonna be. I'm probably gonna be taking care of the kids throughout the day on New Year's Eve. And yeah, I'm not sure, dude. I'm probably gonna be here. I'm not sure what time. Maybe same time. Maybe earlier. I don't know, dude. It's really unclear right now. Maybe tomorrow I'll have a better idea once I talk to the wife and see what we're going to do. Decorations are probably going to be up on the stream. And Steve, I got a question. You're from Canada, and Boomer, you're from Canada. So please tell me what Boxing Day is. Because I have no idea. Is it like a Boxing Day, like box matches, or is it like a Boxing Day where you make boxes, for fun? So I'm not sure. Or you play Xbox. I'm not sure what Boxing Day is. So, I'm a box. Does that count for Boxing Day, or something like that? It's a day of sales after Christmas. It's a magical holiday, and yes, there's shopping sales. Then when you put all your useless gifts back in the box and return them and buy something you want. Does no one else do Boxing Day? I'm not sure, dude. Like, I didn't know. Is it Boxing Day because you open boxes or gifts? I'm not sure. I thought people just went on the street and like put boxing gloves and fought on the street in Canada. I was like, oh, dude, I want to go there for Boxing Day, dude. I just actually, like, beat up some people for free and hey, happy Boxing Day, man. Boom, knock out. I was like, dude, them Canadians know how to party, man. It's the best holiday in the year. Yeah, I don't think anyone else does Boxing Day, dude. Pardon my ignorance on that matter, but I was really genuinely curious as to what Boxing Day was for, man. And I know if it was like a go out, beat 'em up kind of day, It's Canadian Black Friday. That's cool. But you also do Black Friday, right? Or you don't do Black Friday? Because now in Mexico we do Black Friday also for some reason. We're adopting it, and people just want to go out for sales or purchase stuff on sale. So who knows? 5 hours ago, Crypto.com to delist suspend XRP in the US after SEC's Ripple suit. Wow. It's big in the UK. Put out Alma in boxes for the poor. Back in the day, I think you said alms for the poor, but it's morphed over the years. All right. But we'll also have Black Friday and Cyber Monday. All right. Alms. Yeah, I figured. Yeah, that's cool. I was like, poor Alma. You have to put Alma on a box. Poor girl, man. That sucks. So we just do it as well. So yeah, it's interesting, right? Like, I wish we got Boxing Day of sales after Christmas. Is it like for people to be able to, oh damn, I forgot to buy my kid a gift because he was so naughty. But now I'll go on Boxing Day, buy on sale, and then said, Santa Claus dropped it the day after, Santa Claus sent it on postage through the mail because, we were bad, so now I got a cheap gift. Ha 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 ha. Not buying it at a premium like it was prior to Christmas. Right, in Canada, Boxing Day. It's a federal statutory holiday. Government offices, banks, postal services are closed. On Ontario is a provincial statutory holiday. Usually major fake sales. So yeah, they probably jack up the price and then give you a fake discount on top of that, right? On Canada, Boxing Day, French. Le lendemain de Noël. Ah, bien sûr. It's a federal statutory holiday. That's interesting. That looks like you just copied and pasted it from Wikipedia or something like that. Back to Mela, my daughter's holiday. Her birthday is on January 31st, so I hit the post Christmas clearance for her every year. That's awesome, bro. We actually have a secondary holiday for gifts. In Mexico and other parts of South America and probably Europe. The Magic 3 Wise Men come on January the 6th. And they give children gifts and candy and goodies. So before, the big fat men become popular, it was the holiday where kids got their gifts. So it was like January the 6th, the Wise Man Day, basically. The 3 Wise Men Day. So, and it made sense because, they're the guys that, brought the gifts to Christ when he was born. So it was taken as a day where people or parents give their kids the gifts. So right now, we don't... Like, my kids are lucky because they get, Santa Claus and the 3 Wise Men. So it's interesting to see how that works out for people. So we'll bring chairs. Oh. There are a couple of smoking deals for a few items at stores where they have only like 3 available, and people get to line up for 12 hours for it. That's crazy, bro. That sounds like Black Friday, basically. The cold aisle. Some people bring chairs. I want that. Yeah. But there's no sales through Wise Man because a lot of people still do just the Wise Man and they don't do Santa Claus. I think Santa Claus sometimes just brings candy to kids, and the Wise Men are the ones that bring the gifts. So, but there's no sales pre that. Anyways. Bought is 2.36. That's it, dudes. Right, so what are we going to look at? No one's posted anything, dude. We're just talking like random stuff. Bitcoin, 27,800, you know, pulling back slightly, but that's fine. Still gaining on today. Again, we had bearish divergence. We might move down. We already established this for Bitcoin, you know. Dot pulling back. How much? About an inch, Boomer? Oh, Bob Mo was not here today. He's the 1 inch man, so... Or no, was it you, Boomer, that got an inch? Or was it Bob Mo? I can't remember. I think Bob Mo was the... No, I think it was you, Boomer, that got an inch, right? Who was it that got an inch? Boomer, you got an inch, I think. $607 Yeah, it was you, dude. All of a sudden I got confused. I was like, wait, who got an inch? I can't remember. Yeah, no, you got 607 inches. That's interesting. Of snow. So your airdrops a lot. You have not posted any airdrops. I'm kidding. It's not mandatory. It's fun, though, if you post any airdrops. It already came. Isn't there a 1 inch airdrop coming? It already came. Yeah, it already happened, man. Giggity. Oh yeah, giggity. You're looking for the honey swap. Wait, what's honey swap gonna do, Boomer? Wait, what's the HoneySwap airdrop? I am claiming HoneySwap on a daily basis, by the way, right? I have this little thing. I go there. I already registered for next period. I already claim. I have like 0.1 balance. So I'm not sure what the HoneySwap one is, dude. Let me know. I want to know what you know regarding a HoneySwap. Is it like you got to claim it or something, or what? Yeah, but please give more specifics. Possibly an airdrop. What do you want to? What do you have to do? It's a pain in the butt to be able to sign up to claim. Alright, you gotta do a couple things, bro. First, you need to go into Bright ID. You gotta download it. It's a social proof thing. Where you just come in here, sign up. You'll have to go on a date. You just need to use the wallet. What wallet? I use MetaMask. Is that it? I'm gonna have to like check this one out. By when? I haven't been with them for a while, so you know. Their exchange with MetaMask? I haven't used the exchange with MetaMask. I've just been claiming. I'm not even sure what I can buy with MetaMask. Because, like, you know, what I've claimed, it's not showing up on my wallet for some reason. So, yeah. Like, I go here to the HoneySwap. .org and I cannot buy jack. I just know that honey's $199. I want to sell the honey. Add honey to MetaMask. It's probably going to ask me for a password. Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah, it tells me I have tokens. Yay. Add suggested. Add token. Great stuff. So, does that count as using the exchange? I'm not sure. It tells me I have honey now. 0.104. Can I sell it? If I sell that, would that give me something? Yeah, I know. Soka, it's a pain in the ass, bro. For reals. I'll send you guys the link to the Hive Discord. You have to do a lot of stuff, dude. Alright, send it to you on private, bro. Yeah, look, you gotta sign up to their Discord. You're not gonna be able to do anything until you proof ID with a Bride ID, which is just a social proof. You don't have to send anything. You just gotta like show up to the meeting. They verify you're a real person. They basically then afterwards you can join HoneySwap. Then you set up your MetaMask wallet. Then you have to like set up a XDAI address for it. Then basically you have to transfer some XDAI onto your account. So you gotta use Ethereum or somewhere. Go buy XDAI. Then buy DAI, then turn it into an XDAI, and then send that XDAI onto your MetaMask wallet address for XDAI. Then you go on the exchange and you claim. It's a very, very complicated process. It's a lengthy process. It was a pain in the body. It took me like 2 days to set it up, but Soka, go check it out, bro. You can do it. And put the square block through a round hole. Yeah, jump the hop. Yeah, I know, dude. It's a bit, but I'm not sure if I have to like sell, dude, or do something because I have some honey. I'm not sure if I should sell it or not. It's high on the last couple of hours, I would say. I'm not sure if I should sell it because it's actually recovering, bro. So I don't want to like sell it 100%. So it's fine that I now see this on my wallet, which is fine. Oh no, dude! It's a complicated process to get through. But do we know what they have to do for the airdrop? Is it clear? Do you have to make a transaction, or what do you have to do? Because I want to get this airdrop, bro. I've been following this project for a while, so I'm not even sure what I need to do. 100 read anything on the announcements regarding an airdrop, so. Again, be multiple airdrops. You've used multiple MetaMask wallets. Neither did 1 inch. Did you night it was happening until right after it happened. Merry Christmas. Wow, that's awesome, dude. So I guess I'm gonna have to do this now, right? I'm gonna have to do this tango of buying something or selling part of this. So I'm not even sure what I should get. Dude, what the hell? I'm trying to think out what I should get, dude. Christmas snapshot. Dex Kid is doing it too. Oh, that sucks. I hope I haven't missed a snapshot for this. You're hunting now more tonight and tomorrow. New Year's could be massive airdrops. Uniswap said it to be doing one for V3 as well, so make sure you use Uni V2. Can you please send me that info for Uni, bro? Like, put in the Discord, man. I do want to get a Uni airdrop if it happens. Sir airdrops a lot. You gotta share that knowledge, man. Make it public. Make it public, man. I will. Awesome. I'm trying to sell this thing, dude. Swap. I'm just gonna swap very little. Probably the fees are gonna be worth a lot more. Price impact 0.1%. 0.003 honey. Oh, that's very cheap. Confirm swap. Let's yeah, I can do that. It went through. How 0.94 honey now. Damn it, I gotta up it up again. It's gonna take me a while because I'm getting very, very little. And I got 1.89 WXDAI, so now I have to like come up with like a WXDAI wallet thing for my MetaMask because I don't know where like the wrapped WDAI goes to, right? I wonder if we just went straight into my DAI wallet or something, or my DAI part of the wallet, DAI POA, Invalid Customer Network. Beat? What do you mean when you are no moon boy? Well, I don't go insane. I don't believe we're gonna go to the moon and go nuts for a project. Beat. Alright, there's people that are gonna come in here and tell you, oh man, XRP's gonna go to the moon. Bitcoin's at like, 100,000, man. We're gonna go insanely high, insanely quick. Yeah, I don't do that stuff. I just keep it real. We go for real targets, short-term targets on real moves. That's it, bro. Why don't I think that? Well, dude, I don't believe on hyping up or overhyping anything. I believe we can go high, but we gotta concentrate on short-term gains first, short-term targets. And there's people that are gonna come in here, hype it up, sell you hopium. Like there's people that are telling you right now to keep on buying XRP. It's not hyping if it's the truth. Well, I don't do that, man. This is not that type of channel. I keep it real. I keep it honest, and that's it, dude, right? It could get there, yeah, eventually, but I'm not gonna be hyping stuff up just to get views, right? Because the government and banks trying to... Yeah, maybe, dude, Anyways, Bitcoin went to 500,000. You heard it here first. $80 to $100. Yeah. I do. Look, man. It's fine. Hype Master. Don't hype anything. So guess SRP is mooning. Not really, but that's fine, bro. Okay, this does the other way around. Cool. Beat saying SRP is being controlled by the whales now. Probably. He's gonna hype it all the way up by himself, mooning down. They're doing the soul and fishy. Something fishy. Yeah, dude, you know. It could be, man, right? I mean, we've been talking about it. I'm out of XRP right now, by the way, so I'm okay with talking about it. I'm waiting for it to go slightly lower before I actually go buy back up on XRP. Anyways. Soka saying it's space, so whatever direction. Yeah. Right, dude. So, you're still holding. You ain't going lower. This is the bottom already. 19 is bottom. It already hit 17, dude. So I'm not sure if 19 is the bottom for reals. Already weak twice here at 19 and change, right? Here it hit 17 a couple hours ago, right? At yesterday night. So 17, it bottom here at 17.85. You know, it can still go down, dude. You know. Soka, why are people so obsessed with XRP? I actually don't get it. That's Steve, sorry. I was kidding. And then the founder literal is dumping bags. But okay, people are holding until it dies. Yeah, some people are probably going to hold until it dies. That's fine. It hit 17, but then the whales picked it up. Yeah, you know, I believe it still dropped lower, dude. Like, I mean, if you're going to buy, you can buy at a lower price and buy more at that price. That's what I'm going to do. I'm waiting for it to drop more. I'm not upset about it. You're saying your opinion. That's fine, dude. I mean, you know, everyone's entitled to an opinion, so that's fine. The tag, which is actually good, it's not built on the blockchain of XRP. Yeah, that is true. They can operate the transfers without, like, on blockchain, but without using XRP, right? It's just a plus because it's faster. They can still do it necessarily without XRP, right? But anyways. Trying to figure out this honey swap thing, because apparently I cannot go the other way on the trade. That sucks. I want to go what is it? WXDAI to honey, dude. Where is that one? Give me that trade. I should have gone to USDT, man. Fuck. Like, what the hell? There's a lot of stuff happening on the chat. After SZ stuff is over, they're gonna bloom for sure. Yeah, I agree. That's why I'm gonna wait and buy later on once it drops a little bit more. Steve said, like, Ripple's going to get sued for out of existence. Cat's out of the bag. Or they're not gonna give a about the SEC. Honey swap is weird. ASF. Yeah, I know, dude. I'm trying to find the XDAI pair opposite of what I did, because I'm trying to, like, switch it. Why did they make swaps so complicated, man? They should just have a button that reverses, like, the trading pair, and I can't find it on their site. Like, I don't have a lot of this. I just been claiming it slowly, but, you know, why did they just have, like, you know, a little switch thing? Ah, here it is. I found it. Dumb on my part. I was like, where's that little button, dude? I just couldn't find it. I couldn't see it. I was blinded by it. It's on the MetaMask. Yeah, no, I found it, dude. I found it. I couldn't go the opposite, dude. I need to, like... Approve. Allow. Hope he goes through, man. Not even sure how much of this I have, but I want to get back my honey that I had, or most of my honey that I had. Hey, it went through, man. Fuck. He did up. I think he ate up all the honey that I had because I. Still showing as WX died, dude. What the hell? Now it finally showed up on my MetaMask. I just sent it back, but it's still not gone through. It said it went through, but it didn't. Look at this. Like, yay. It's still there, and it's still here, man. This is what I wanted to send back to Honey, but it didn't. Wow, a lot of stuff happening on the chat. Binance is cracking down. I have used a VPN for 1.5 years, and somehow they know it's a VPN. They give me 14 days to their go Binance US or take my money elsewhere. Sucks. I have been trading on Binance for a while now. Yeah, I know, dude. I hate Binance though, because you know they have a lot of bots trading there. And if you want to put a position and buy at market, your position always gets eaten up by the bots real quick. You went on TV, told people to buy XRP. That's probably selling his stake. And paid directly, including himself, a dividend and profit. Yeah. I don't know what the next best bet is for me. It's not on the side. Kraken. It's in the MetaMask. Oh, yeah. What's HoneySwap actually? Oh, well, dude, I'm just claiming it because it's a free token that I'm getting, dude. It's like a Uniswap. It's just like a DEX for trading crypto. That's about it. XRP makes me irritating angry because I can't figure it out. ADA I get. Charles is a know-it-all arrogant nerd. So rubs people the wrong way, but Ripple is a ... Binance is low ASFF. You got the airdrop? No, dude. Someone said there's gonna be an airdrop. I've been claiming Honey for a while, dude. But you know, Boomer just said there was gonna be an airdrop, so I haven't done it yet. Easy Steve S. XRP's trash. Wow, a lot of trash talk on the chat today, man. It's cray, right? Crazy, man. Let me change networks real quick. Oh, that's cool. It's showing stuff I didn't have before. That's kind of nice. Huh, you'll know that art I sold on... for like 3... I think it was very cheap that I sold the art. And then I bought and minted more NFTs. And now it's worth 91 bucks, dude. And it was like... I think I had 53 bucks. Then with what I bought, I took it down to 40. And it's worth 91 again, so it's kind of cool. I like that. Let's go back to the XDAI, dude. See, supposedly I did this transaction, but it didn't go. It said it went through and it didn't go through. Still shows here, but you know, whatever. Approved XDAI spend limit. What? I almost spend limit. What the hell is that? Does it tell me same here? Approved. Honey spend limit. Wow, let's try. Weird. Anyways, that's why people don't want to give it up. Because I think it's gonna make them millionaires. Ha 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 ha. A lot of people are saying it. Then why do people love it? It makes no sense. People go around tagging like the second coming, and it's about set up to make the founders rich and over the bag holders. Maybe. Steve, you know, like, you know, Jake said it's trash, but I will tell you something. You eat French fries and you eat like potato chips. You know it's bad for you. You still love it, and you probably can't go without it, right? Or like fried chicken or cheesecake or candy, whatever, like soda, beer. We all know all this stuff is bad for us, but we still love it. So maybe it's the same psychological effect of XRP, right? Who knows? Jake saying I don't know. I don't like it for a low level. Always said it's trash. All they do is dump on their investors. Yeah. Maybe there is some truth to that. Beat saying I likes you. Well, that's cool. Thanks. Join us on the YouTube, dude. That's where most of the people are, so it's where most of the fun is, I guess. Because you can see them on the chat. I'm not sure how well you can read all the other comments that are out there, but if you're on YouTube, I think it's probably going to be easier to read Maybe I feel like I'm taking crazy pills. They're dumping out on investors right now. Yeah. Like XRP, I do believe it can go back to. I believe XRP can come back to this level down here, right? Okay, zoom out, dude. I cannot even see it anymore right now in the 1 hour. Probably gonna have to go in the 4 hour to show you. XRP can come back to this level of 13 to 21, I think is where I have this range. Yeah, 21 to 13 or so. And that could be a good range for XRP if it goes there. There's a lot of support. So it's probably going to take a while for it to drop below that 13 cent mark. 14, 13 and change. 13.79 we'll call it right now. But it can still drop below there, right? And I do believe XRP has the potential to do that. It's going to depend on whether or not it wants to do it. Now if they get half of the XRPs, it won't go up. Oh no. Not bothered. Yeah. They'll just keep selling and taking profits. Right now, I think they're going to stop selling because they're not. Where are they going to offload it right now? XRP is frozen in the US. They cannot sell it or trade it. So whatever happens in the next couple months, or until the SEC determines what's going to happen, they cannot offload it on the US market. So they're going to have to figure out a way. Well, they can offload it with their partners elsewhere, but I'm not sure how much they're going to be offloading. Right? They might try to make a quick buck and offload as much as they can of the billion they get released every month. Just see what they do, right? Wow. A lot of stuff happening in the chat. Today the chat is pumping, dude. Jack said, I have a small short on Bitcoin. I bet we get a pullback near 27k before moving upward, really. It's so obvious that XRP is a nuisance to Ripple. From Ripple Labs, EOS, Tesla, Stellar, and they're all building on their blockchain, right? XRP is bound based. What? XRP is bound based off what the SEC says. If they're not a security, there's valid use for the project, and $1 would be my target until 5 cents. Yeah, until then 5 cents. Yeah, Victor, what is the valid case? It's going to depend on what the SEC determines, right? We already established that. If the establish is not a security, it could go up again. And that's what I'm waiting for, right? Jake said XRP or Bitcoin to 27k before it actually pumps again. Yeah, I think I called it 20 as a potential target. Right now, the 20 being at 27,046. So yeah, it could be a target, Jake. Good investor perspective by Victor, but I still don't touch XRP. Well, that's good. Look, Jake, if it goes to 5 cents and there's a potential for it to go to $1 or 50 cents, I'll buy it. I might not like the project, but I'm not at war with money or making money, right? So, just because I don't like the project or I don't like what they're doing or what's happening right now does not mean I'm not going to take an opportunity to make profit, right? Oh, basically here targets match. Yeah, more or less, dude. I do have the bearish divergence, and we know that Bitcoin down was starting to go up in price, so we know there's a chance it might go up higher. Beat, if you're still with us, I'm not sure, but thanks for watching, man. I'm not sure how many people are on Periscope right now, because it's weird, but Periscope is going to discontinue services on March 31st. I'm not sure how I'm going to have to set up the stream to go on Twitter, I guess, because I go on Periscope right now, but Twitter, I'm not sure. Steve's 100% security in the way they have used it. It could have not been security by selling it and controlling supply, controlling development, and paying market makers to fix price. Yeah, but you could argue that was the beginning years of XRP. Post facto, they moved it differently, right? And they're going to get screwed. MoneyGram and American Express use it to transfer funds. Yeah, MoneyGram and American Express are using it, and Santander was probably using it for their PayFX or something like that. Maybe they were just using the non-blockchain or not, the non-crypto part of the blockchain tech. But yeah, I get it. It's going to be interesting to see what happens with this and how it keeps on developing, right? No, it didn't, man. This happened last year still. We'll see. That's why the SEC said ongoing. I want to see how Ripple's gonna defend this, right? If they did it once, then they have no case. Yeah, I agree. I think we're gonna finish the stream soon. It's late for a lot of you. It's late for me. I still gotta get some like work done with these videos that I have to keep on watching for the HR stuff, but we'll see what happens, right? But the ongoing clause is the thing that gave the SEC its entire case. Yeah. Have been doing it with MoneyGram to move money. Yeah. We know that they've been doing it with MoneyGram, right? They've been facilitating payment for MoneyGram and giving them bonuses for using the platform or for using XRP. So to incentivize them. Wonder if other places like Asia get into DVT, we see the prize moving hard. Yeah, I know, dude. That's interesting. Is that DVT? Is the DAO meeting gonna be on the first Saturday? That means Saturday the 2nd. Because I'm not sure, dude. And are we still wrapping the project? Once the lawsuit comes rolling in, Ripple Labs will be FD. Yeah. Because if DVT gets wrapped, that's gonna give a lot of traction, dude. So I want to know what's happening. It's just been radio silent for the last couple days after Spock's death. It's just been kind of quiet. So it's gonna be whatever this Saturday is. Yeah, it's the 2nd, dude. Because Friday's the 1st. I know that. You're banned on Twitter still? That sucks, bro. I hope you get it back, though. Jake just become president? Yeah. Suspend it, yeah. Then they have to unban you, or any elected official. I wish. Legalize weed. Bitcoin is the nation's currency. Governor of the state of crypto. Yeah. So we have Sir Airdrops a lot. We'll have Governor Jake. Gov Jake. Imagine if the US never auctioned off any Bitcoin they confiscated. That would be interesting. Hate Bitcoin to be your main currency unless it gets way more stable. Jake, you will probably get murdered so fast. Damn, son. Yo, by the way, yeah. So, Miller, if it becomes a de facto currency, it probably gets super stable. Because it gets traded every day. It'll be so much liquidity flowing that it'll just become the de facto currency, right? And then, although it could still be subject to manipulation or a 51% attack, it'll be something that would have to be figured out. But yeah, it would be interesting to see Bitcoin become a de facto currency for a country. Be fun figuring out prices. No, because you just be talking about sats and the volatility would mean that you would have to change prices on the store every day or every couple hours, which would be crazy. Right? You would just probably have a small monitor on your whatever on the items that you're selling that is linked to a computer that is actually currently calculating. So by the time you actually grabbed it from the stall from the store stall and take it to the register, the price might already be shifted on the little thing. So it's gonna be interesting to see how that happens, right? Anyways, you have to make payment within 16 seconds of the price of goods changes. Yeah, I know, right? Bitcoin would be done super easy, like a debit card, but Lightning payments just haven't been done really, and people don't have incentive to cash. Yeah, but by the time you actually do the shopping in that half an hour or hour that takes you to go do your shopping, by the time you get to the register and pay, the price is probably going to be super different than all the goods that you've grabbed, right? So they can keep their stable value to dollars right now. Let's solve the odd. People trying to find a coupon on the store for sure. Yeah. So, Boomer, bad news. I just asked the people of Honey. I said, hey, people, it's a good question. There's going to be an airdrop beginning of this happening for this project. I've been playing from the faucet for a while. Tonight, lots of people came to my stream talking about Honey airdrop. Nope, airdrop will probably never happen. Never happen ever. The faucet will be eventually switched to a new system, though. More like complete these tasks and get rewarded. Actually, that's an idea. Give less is very expensive. I think so. You'll make it give less, but you pay Honey instead of cash for premium stuff. So yeah, there's something going to happen with that, but interesting, right? So there's not going to be any airdrop for Honey. At least that's what they're claiming right now. And the guy just said this giveaway things are actually trash for crypto. Wow, a lot of stuff happening in the chat. Sorry, dude. Wow, a lot of stuff out in the chat. Let me catch up with the chat. All right, dollars would be worthless. Then we could have bread as a streaming service. The SAC said it was 82 satoshis. Bitcoin price would be so high, like trillions in prices would be stable, and in satoshis and sub satoshis. Yeah, if everyone gets paid in crypto, it'll just become stable because people will find a way to stabilize it, right? Like a can of soup is going to be worth so many sats, and that's it, right? Since everything's flowing around Bitcoin, it'll just be a fixed price to Bitcoin, and everything, and there you shouldn't have that many fluctuations. If Bitcoin goes up or down, since there's no dollar paired to it, it'll just be Bitcoin. You just be buying in Sats, and everything just becomes equivalent, and they'll just devalue that at some point in time. Somehow they'll try to figure out how to devalue it. Anyways, Sir airdrops a lot might have to be exiled and to find a nice island, but it's hard to find rumors and facts. I know you can get exiled to Hawaii. We at 200 yet. Bikini Atolls. I hear they're glowing. Let's say who's in the most chat. Yeah, as long as there's Bikini, I'm in. Most ones if it's the glowing parts and see-through. Guys, this is going to be a stream for tonight. Super late. It's 11:34. So I've been live for about 2 hours now. I bring value to this community. I know, Boomer. Dude, by the way, I'm not sure if you were hearing when I said that the guys from Honey just said that there's not going to be an airdrop. Anyways, every time I see my backs, the coins pump. Have a great night. Yo, guys, this is going to be it for tonight, guys. Thanks for watching, and if you like what we do, hit that like, that button, that sub. Again, this is Ted of Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight for this awesome stream. Again, I hope you found the content to be educational and entertaining. And that's going to be it for tonight. Again, I appreciate you all for being here. Steve, Boomer, Miller. Who else came in, bro? A lot of people came in. Jake, Soka. I'm trying to remember who else was in here. Andrew, Apostolic Mind. I think that's everyone that came in, dude. Or at least that chatted. If you were here and you didn't chat, thank you for being here. Brett Garlinghouse came in as well, right? So if you're in here and you didn't chat, thank you for being here as well. Hit that like, that button, that sub. Don't forget to do those little things on the way out. Have a great night. You need to buy and sell ADA and let me know. 1 inch said that too. No airdrop. Bam, airdrop. Yeah, we'll see what happens, guys. Thank you for being here. I'll catch you tomorrow for another edition of Ted of Crypto. Until then.